How to use the Walmart app to find clearance. So this is actually a more premium version of the app where you can go ahead and use the scanner to scan the barcode to actually find the clearance and the hidden fees and taxes of that specific product. So you can find this right in the bottom right corner in your app, which should be the account. So in your account, just go ahead and press on the wallet option. So inside your wallet, you should be able to scroll down a bit until you find the scan and go, which is a tools that you can use in the shop in store. So once you open up the scan and go, just go ahead and use it as a scanner to find the clearance and whatever is hidden inside that product, like hidden fees and taxes and whatnot. But you're gonna need the Walmart Plus to use the scan and go, of course. So just go ahead and do that. You can also try it for free if you'd like, and to see if it's actually worth it for you. But anyways, that's how you do use the Walmart app to find the clearance. So if this video does help you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.